Many people do not understand the functions of aluminum smelting furnace. Today I will introduce to you. Aluminum smelting furnace is a new type of high efficiency and energy-saving furnace. According to aluminum smelting process, it can well meet the requirements of aluminum smelting process, which strict requirements in alloy composition, production discontinuity, and even large single furnace capacity. The advantages are as follows: reduce consumption, reduce burning loss, improve product quality, reduce labor intensity, improve working conditions and product efficiency, which is suitable for smelting with more return charge.